Hi, my name is Millicent Agustin, and I am a licensed clinical social worker at Hill Physicians Medical Group. I help members by providing them community resources and support to prevent and cope with problems in their everyday lives. Managing health conditions is already a stressful situation on its own. Our members experience other stressful factors on top of that, including addressing mental health concerns, substance use, poor social support, financial constraints, inadequate housing, and food insecurity. With the community resources and support, I am hopeful that it will help our members reduce their stress. In the meantime, I'd like to share with you an inexpensive way to relieve stress. Journaling and gratitude exercises is something I do to relieve stress, and I'm excited to share this with you. Journaling is simple. All you need is a pen and paper, or you can use technology such as a computer, phone, or tablet. Journaling involves writing down thoughts and feelings to have a better understanding of what you are going through and what you need. There are many studies that have shown that journaling has proven to help us physically, mentally, and spiritually. Dr. David Tholey, a pediatric cardiologist, stressed the importance on journaling not only for himself or other healthcare providers, but also our patients. He had healthcare providers and patients in a study practice his method of journaling called the 3-minute mental makeover. Surveys done after the exercise showed that all participants noted a reduction in stress levels. There are several types of journaling. One is called expressive writing, which involves writing about thoughts, feelings about a stressful situation. Free writing is about writing about anything that comes to your mind. You could also utilize journal prompts by finding prompts online or buying journals with prompts already written in them. There's also visual journaling, where you create visual art such as drawing or creating collages with images to express how you feel. Now let's talk about gratitude. Gratitude is the emotion of feeling thankful and appreciative of the good things in your life. You focus on what you have versus what you are lacking or don't have. Gratitude promotes a positive outlook on one's life and helps you recognize the effort and kindness of others. In a review of multiple studies by Yu Kamase and colleagues, it was found that gratitude interventions showed an improvement in perceived stress and depression. Gratitude also increases awareness with active reflection on the positive things in your life. Because you are able to identify positive aspects of your life, you will better evaluate stressful situations and respond accordingly. There are different types of gratitude exercises. I like to reflect on my day and think of 3 things before bed that I am grateful for. You could also practice random acts of kindness, such as holding the door open for someone in the next public place you enter. Another practice of gratitude is going on a walk. Start to notice sights, sounds, sensations, and express what you are thankful for the world around you. Positive affect journaling is positive focus writing approach, which incorporates journaling and gratitude. You write about the positive aspects of your life and yourself. Joshua M. Smith and colleagues did a study with adults with multiple medical conditions, and they participated in a positive affect journaling intervention for 12 weeks for 15 minutes, 3 days a week. The average of moderate participation in the program resulted in a decreased mental distress, and more than 50% of participants stated that program made them feel better than they previously had. Now I'd like to demonstrate a journaling exercise for you. The first step is the preparation to start writing. Pick if you're going to journal, handwritten or digitally. See what works best for you. Today, I will be using the handwritten method. Next, you want to make sure your environment is suitable, make sure you're comfortable, and you're in a place with little to no distractions. Make this time about you. Second step is you want to identify why you want to journal. In this case, we want to journal because we are stressed. Lastly, start journaling. I'm going to try 3 journaling prompts with you today. 1, what's something that you can make today amazing? 2, what do I want to focus on this week? And 3, how can I make today even better? Now let's move on to the gratitude exercise. This is one of my favorite things to journal. In this exercise, you will journal about 3 things that happened during the day that you were thankful for. These are some of the things that I have journaled recently to express gratitude. 1, I am glad spring weather is here so I can start my gardening. 2, I've been able to add more walks with my dogs to my exercise routine. 3, my coworkers and I collaborated really well recently in order to finish a difficult project. You can also track progress in your journal. Goal setting is creating an action plan used for motivation and guidance. Practice creating SMART goals. S for specific, M measurable, A achievable, R relevant, T time-based. An example of a non-SMART goal is I am going to start journaling. Now let's make that a SMART goal. I'm going to journal 3 mornings each week for the next month. Tracking goals creates accountability by taking responsibility for your goals. It helps you celebrate achievements and motivation, and helps you identify patterns to see where improvement is needed or where success is seen. Lastly, it helps with self-reflection. You can ask yourself if there was something that was surprising or expected amongst your goals. Tracking goals can also help with increasing your motivation by using visuals to quickly look at progress throughout the process, such as charts, a phone application, or a calendar. Remembering to journal. Try to write in your journal daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Start small. If possible, keep the time of the day you journal consistent. If not possible, reserve time on your calendar as you would with any other appointment. This is a great way to schedule time for journaling, but still provide flexibility. Pair it with a ritual you already do, such as drinking coffee in the morning or tea before bed. Lastly, find an accountability partner. You and a partner can provide each other reminders and provide the motivation to meet your goals. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned a lot about journaling and gratitude.